Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure checking out the Myriad Botanical Gardens in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. That is right, in this episode of Alex's Adventures we'll be taking an adventure of the Myriad Botanical Gardens and see what this place has to offer. So the Myriad Botanical Gardens is located in downtown Oklahoma City. We will begin our adventure with a view of the conservatory, which you can check out for a fee. As we look around, you can see many plants, and this is such a beautiful garden in this beautiful downtown of Oklahoma City. Here, this is one of the largest skyscraper in the state of Oklahoma. And now let's go ahead and begin our adventure. So here's another beautiful view of the tallest building in the state of Oklahoma. Pretty cool to check out. Here you have one of those carousels, and this is a park instead of the botanical gardens, which is meant for kids. And this is kind of like the Central Park of downtown Oklahoma City. So we have beautiful trees that are planted here and everywhere inside this 17-acre park in the heart of downtown Oklahoma City. This botanical garden hosts many events throughout the year. So we are starting our adventure in the morning. That's why you don't see many people around. Here, this is Moe's Carousel. Wonder what it would look like and if it's in motion. And as we look to our right, here's the conservatory and this shower thing for kids to play in if it's in the summer heat. And usually Oklahoma City does get hot in the summertime. Here's the children's garden that we saw before, and this is being recorded in the month of May. And usually right now it is humid, and you have several pop-up thunderstorms that pop up from time to time. Here you have this beautiful community garden. You can see some vegetables being planted. Here you have several more plants that are being planted, as you can see here. And as we continue to walk, here you can see there are several people getting in their morning exercise, and this is a great place to exercise in the morning before other visitors of the park. Makes this place a busy park. Here, this is also a place to host some concerts or other gatherings. Here you have several hundreds of seats in this park. Here you have this water feature in the middle, and you can see the conservatory, which is basically a bridge across this water feature, or this man-made mini lake. And here once again you get another view of this tallest building in the state of Oklahoma. And let's continue our adventure. Here inside of the conservatory you can check out some unique species of plants, exotic plants. Here you can see that they're having a grand reopening of the conservatory. Pretty interesting. And this path leads to the entrance of the conservatory. Here you can see several people doing some renovations around the conservatory. Here's the entrance to the Myriad Botanical Gardens Conservatory. And here you can see the structure of the conservatory. Basically a stained glass bridge across this pond. And here I have several more trees that make this place a luscious place. So as we continue to walk through the park, here you have several gathering areas, especially an ideal spot for night events. And as you continue to walk through the botanical gardens, it feels like you're in a different place, somewhere outside of Oklahoma City. It doesn't feel like you're in this urban place, typical urban place of downtown. So you have this cool water feature. Here you can see that we have lots of greenery, and that's what I like about this park. Is like basically a break from the bustle of downtown Oklahoma City. And as we walk under these trees, these type of trees reminds me of the redwoods, even though the redwoods in its actual place must be mind-blowing. So you have a little piece of the redwoods here, and this is a great place to shoot some video like what I'm doing, or shoot some photography. Here's the other end of the entrance for the conservatory. And as we look here, area of this stage. So here's another view of the tallest building in the state of Oklahoma. And here you have more water features. And you have this pond area that is in the heart of the botanical garden. And here you can see the conservatory itself. Here you have this beautiful structure, and you have also koi fishes in the pond. Here you have this beautiful bridge that crosses the pond, and here's another view of the gathering area that has several seats, many seats that is, and another view of the conservatory. So that will do it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. Hopefully you enjoyed the adventure checking out the Myriad Botanical Gardens in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this botanical garden. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on the next one.